Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. And then we have two guests this month, and that is Belinda and Caitlin. This is our inspiration piece, which is a bingo board. I selected the fourth row across, and that is to use flare, decorative edge, blue, enamel dots, solid color cardstock. And so that is exactly what I've done. I've got some Bow Bunny paper here. And is it Ella and Eva paper? That's that blue jean kind of glossy finish paper. I love, 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 love this paper. So this is perfect paper to document two photographs of my little guy with bugs. Actually a worm and some other creature that is actually poisonous, because my friend Tracy here at Mini Kit Monday, I was posting and showing the ladies this creepy little thing that my little guy picked up, and Tracy immediately said, tell him to go wash his hands. That is poisonous. So I still have to journal about it. I will have a hidden journaling spot that you will see, because I still need to ask my little guy. I haven't had a chance if you remember this type of bug. If not, we're going to go Google it, and we are going to document it. All right, so I've taken these two photographs and I have matted them on white cardstock. I am using lots of paper layering for this layout. This one that you see right now is from, what does he call it? DCWV. Is that what that group is called? I can't remember the name of that company that comes to my head, but I know you guys know. But anyway, that's where that paper is. Like I said, the arrow one with the kind of craft looking paper is from Bow Bunny. And we are using both sides of that BC, is it called BCW? What is it called? Let me find out. It's driving me crazy. Anyway, while I'm trying to look up the name, I took that same paper, and it is BCWV paper, and it's a graduation line. And I use my Creative Memories border punch system, and it's like a picket fence. And I'm just using it as a decorative edge. And some of these other papers, I am not going to know what collection they came from, because they are scraps. So I really don't have an idea. Like, so that one I just added was triangle. That piece right there is illustrated faith piece in my stash. There's my brown cardstock, which I was supposed to use. So I got that used, and of course I got the blue paper used, and I'll have blue enamel dots. So I can check that off my list, and I got the decorative edge, the blue, and then you're going to see blue enamel dots here in my solid cardstock. All right, this paper here is an Amy Tan, but it was in a 6x6 pad that's been sitting in my collection for a little bit. I love this color orange, and I love the arrow. So I took that and ripped it, and I'm going to layer it. I have some, you'll see in the end, in the close-ups, that I have some papers that I distressed the edge using my distress tool. And of course, I cut that part out. You didn't need to see it. These are all my paper layers that I'm showing you right here. And now I'm going to start embellishing. I'll bring in that hidden pocket right there. So while I'm ahead of myself just a little bit, let me remind you, in the description box below, we'll have everybody's links to their channel that are participating with Mini Kit Monday. Not the ladies that are over on the Facebook group, which you should go check out all their creations over there. And if you are not a member of our Facebook group, go over there and check it out, and the link is also listed below. There is a lot of fun inspiration pieces over there, a lot of awesome ladies that participate. And how do you participate? You snap a photograph of your kit that you put together. You can use the bingo board as a inspiration piece or jumping off piece. You can follow it to the T, or you can just ignore it and come up with your own idea. So anyway, you snap a photograph of your kit, then you create at least 3 layouts, and you add them to the album that says January, and you will have an entry in to possibly win a curated kit or gift card from Tracy. I cannot remember. And if you haven't seen Tracy's channel, go see Tracy's channel, and she will tell you how you could what you would possibly win. So anyway, there's my square flare button added to that tag. That tag is a Dear Lizzie tag that has been in my stash for a long time, and I'm so glad that I can use it. If there's words on tags, I like to use that word phrase. And so anyway, and I like the little deer, so I just cut that tag in half and did that. And now we're working on my title. These alphas are from my stash. These blue ones that look like blue denim jean type ones, I can tell you I got those at Michael's. And I will use my little coupon because, as you notice, you only get like 2 letters of the alpha, so they can go quickly. The blue looked fine at top, but the chipboard ones that are craft color blended too much at the bottom, so I just switched the colors. The title, of course, is called Creepy Crawlers. That little dragonfly that I put over there to the right is an old Close to My Heart sticker. I do not think it's available, but if you're interested, I am a consultant. Leave your contact information below or Facebook me over at my Facebook site, and I will have all that information at the end of this video and also in the description box. All right, I'm going to use this craft or wood grain tag that says hello, and I'm going to use that wood veneer and place that arrow there. I have a little bit of succulents over there where I got that little, the end of my tag that had the little deer. And this layout is complete. Here comes the close-ups where you can see the layers and the distressing that I did right there. And I did a little bit of inking using the distress inks from Tim Holtz, and it's Ground Espresso. There's that creepy little bug. And I got a little puppy sticker that says yuck on there. I thought it was fitting. And my contact information is coming up. I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember to get out those photographs and document your memories in a fun, creative way, and use whatever products your heart desires and that you are in the mood to be using. All right, until next time, bye.